Let's talk about a mistake that could happen to any marketing consultant and how you can protect yourself with Next Insurance. A marketing consultant who's been consulting for nearly a decade made a small typo in a client's email campaign. Just one wrong number in a discount code, and the entire promotion collapsed. Customers couldn't use the code, sales tanked, and the client demanded she cover the losses. She had no professional liability insurance, so every dollar came out of her pocket. Here's the thing, professional liability insurance from Next Insurance could have covered that. This type of policy is designed to protect you if a client claims your work caused them financial harm, even if the error wasn't really your fault. It can cover legal fees, settlements, and the cost of fixing mistakes. For marketing consultants, that's a lifesaver. Whether it's a typo, a missed deadline, or a miscommunication, these policies keep you from draining your savings to cover unexpected claims. Signing up is quick, affordable, and tailored to small business owners like us. It's a fraction of the cost of what one lawsuit could take from you.